Today, we're going to show you how to install Yamaha's genuine parts and accessories windshield kit to our Yamaha Wolverine X4. The first step is going to be to remove the backing paper that protects the windshield during shipping. When you attach the brackets to the roll cage, you want to make sure that they're loose enough that you can still move them up and down, so it makes it easier to mount the windshield to the bracket. One thing I'd like to note is that all 4 hinges must be installed with the hinges facing the inside so that there's enough clearance for the windshield to fit over top. The next step is going to be gently taking the windshield and attaching it to the brackets. By using 1 screw per bracket, you'll more easily be able to center the windshield onto the brackets themselves. After getting the first screw into each one of the brackets, you want to go ahead and get the second one into each bracket as well. With all 8 screws loosely attached to the brackets and the windshield mounted onto the brackets, you want to now tighten down the screws. So as you can see, all it takes is about 15 or 20 minutes of your time and a 4mm Allen wrench to install our Yamaha Genuine Parts and Accessories poly windshield on our Wolverine X4.